What happens when the person you lose reveals a secret that shatters everything? Regretting You by Colleen Hoover is an emotional roller coaster about grief, betrayal, and the complicated love between a mother and daughter. Morgan is a rule follower, trying to keep her teen daughter Clara on the right path. But when tragedy strikes, everything spirals, grief pulls them apart, and a shocking discovery threatens to destroy what little trust they have left. As Clara rebels and Morgan questions the life she thought she knew, both are forced to confront painful truths and find their way back, not just to each other, but to themselves. With dual POVs, raw emotions, and a story that blends heartbreak with healing, Regretting You reminds us that sometimes love means letting go of the version of someone you thought you knew. Comment what books you want to see next.